Good afternoon, Mrs. S.S. Chauhan. This is regarding testimony of your treatment.
Good afternoon.
What was the main concern while visiting Kairali Ayurveda?
Because I learned that this Ayurveda treatment is very old.
Okay.
And I always believe in Ayurveda and natural treatment. That's why I came here.
Okay. What was your complaints?
I had some knee pain, then joint pains, like that.
Okay. From all other Ayurvedic treatment center, how did you choose Kairali Ayurveda?
Because I tried many Ayurveda treatment. I was getting some response, but then I just thought Kerala treatment is very old, ancient one. So let me try this one. I think this will help me a lot.
Can you describe the result of the treatment?
Yeah, I'm feeling much better, much better.
So you believe in Ayurveda increased or decreased after the treatment?
Increased.
Okay. Would you recommend our treatment to your friends and family?
Yes, I've already told one of my friends she will be visiting you, and I told my sister also,
Okay.
but she lives very far off.
Oh.
So I don't know whether she'll come or not.
Thank you. If yes, can you please give 3 references for the doctor consultation?
I will.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Thank you for the valuable time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.